Hi, my name is Regard Wieman. I'm a field service technician for Netafim Southern and East Africa. The reason why I recommend an Alpha Disc filter is due to durability, cost effectiveness and modularity. The benefit of an Alpha Disc is it is made with less moving parts and it has anti-corrosive materials that are being used on the filter. In my practical experience, it is easy to operate and easy to service. Contact us for Netafim knowledge and support. We will help you to grow more with less.